All right, guys, so we got a 2022 Dodge Charger Hemi Scat Pack 392. 2022, it's only got 500 miles on it, guys. He drove it from Indianapolis to us to get the exhaust done for him, so we hooked him up. Got factory converters there and there, then factory X-Pipe. Then we put two FLOWMASTER Outlaws for him. Part number 15430S's. Be a link in the description for him. Then we left the valves on there. He didn't want it too loud. Then we did a rear resonator delete there and there, and put him some new carbon fiber tips to match the stripes. Check that out. Really beautiful carbon fiber tips. There and right there. What do you think? That sounds so good. He's shell shocked, guys. He loves it. Go ahead. Again. Bro, it hit 117. That's awesome. That sounds good. Scat Pack, baby. Hemi. Carbon fiber tips. FLOWMASTER Outlaws. Came out perfect. They match the carbon fiber stripes. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.